Welcome back, everyone. We have had gorgeous fall weather today, so hopefully you have been able to spend some time outdoors. Temperatures right now are currently in the upper 50s and low to mid 60s, and these temperatures are near average for this time of year. There's also been little to no wind around throughout the day today, and for most of today it has been mainly sunny and dry. But over the past few hours, the cloud cover has started to increase, and on the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we currently have partly to mostly sunny skies right now. High pressure has been in control of our weather today, which is why we have had beautiful fall weather. But as we go through tonight, this area of high pressure will continue to work its way eastward, and there is a cold front out in the Pacific Ocean, and this cold front will begin to impact the western part of Montana tomorrow afternoon, and then it will impact central and eastern Montana as we go through tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. As this cold front does pass through, there will be some scattered rain and mountain snow showers around. It's also going to be cooler this weekend courtesy of the cold front, but the biggest impact from this cold front is going to be the wind. It will be very windy tomorrow evening and tomorrow night with widespread wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible. Throughout the day today, there has been little to no wind. Overnight tonight, for most of us, there will continue to be little to no wind, but in the higher elevations within central Montana as well as along the Rocky Mountain front, the wind will increase as we go through tonight, so it will become a bit breezy in those areas. Tomorrow, the wind is not going to be terrible, but we are going to have gusty winds throughout the day along the Rocky Mountain front. Gusts over 40 miles per hour are possible. East of the Rocky Mountain front, it is going to be breezy in some areas, especially tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, as sustained wind speeds are going to be between 10 and 25 miles per hour. That cold front is then going to pass through north central Montana as we go through tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. When the cold front does arrive, that's when the wind is really going to increase. Widespread wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible with the passage of the cold front as well as behind the cold front. And the wind direction will change as well. So for most of tomorrow, it will come out of the south or the southwest, but after the cold front passes through, the wind direction will change to come out of the west or the northwest in most spots, and it will be very windy throughout all of north central Montana tomorrow night. Then as we head into Saturday, we are going to have widespread gusty winds around throughout the day with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 30 miles per hour, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour are possible. The strongest wind on Saturday is going to be in northeastern Montana as well as along the Rocky Mountain front. Most of Montana is currently under either a high wind warning or a high wind watch. A high wind warning is in effect for a lot of north central and western Montana from tomorrow afternoon through Saturday morning. Gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible, with gusts up to 75 miles per hour possible along the Rocky Mountain front. Then there is a high wind watch in effect for a lot of eastern Montana beginning later on tomorrow and continuing through most of Saturday, as gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible, especially tomorrow night and during the day on Saturday. High fire danger is also expected with the passage of this cold front. There is a red flag warning in effect for a lot of southwestern Montana, including the Helena area from tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow night. High fire danger is expected due to the combination of strong winds, a change in the wind direction, as well as low relative humidity. There's a fire weather watch in effect for a lot of south central Montana from 12 p.m. Friday until 6 p.m. on Saturdays. Same thing, high fire danger is expected. As we go through tonight, we are going to have partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, with the cloud cover increasing initially and then decreasing during the second half of the night. Tomorrow, we are going to start the day off with a good amount of sunshine, but we are going to have increasing clouds throughout the day. The daylight hours will be dry, but as we get into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, as that cold front does pass through, that's when some scattered rain and mountain snow showers are possible in central and north central Montana. Not expecting much precipitation with the passage of the cold front, though, and skies will clear out during the second half of tomorrow night with sunny skies and dry conditions expected as we head into this weekend. Tonight, lows are going to be in the 30s and low 40s in most spots. Tomorrow, a lot warmer than it was today, with highs in the mid to upper 70s and low to mid 80s, and then we cool back down heading into Saturday.